In a nutshell, Junior Eureka is all about preparing students for real-life science. Often, students learn about science from the curriculum. They rote learn facts, get tested in exams, and don't see how the science is relevant to the real world. But Junior Eureka seeks to transcend this traditional way of learning science, to make it fun and engaging. It's about so much more than just remembering the facts. It's about developing the communication skills so that students can talk to their friends and family about science. It's about weighing the pros and cons and developing a business case. Ultimately, these skills empower students to apply the science they've learned to society in meaningful ways that can tangibly benefit New Zealand and the world.
In 2017, Scots College in Wellington began participating in Junior Eureka. Senior science students visited Year 5 and conducted scientific experiments to enthuse the budding scientists. With their curiosity aroused, the discussion soon shifted to how the science works and its benefits to the community. Students then split up into groups and researched an application of science they were passionate about, topics as varied as wind farms, sewage, and vaccines. During this process, they sourced information online, guided by senior students and their teachers. Once they collated enough research, senior students taught the groups how to construct a convincing presentation with an introduction, body, and conclusion. The next day, the Year 5s presented to their classmates, teachers, and invited guests. Eureka convener Francis Weavers attended and was impressed by not only their knowledge and enthusiasm, but also their ability to respond to questions, demonstrating the depth of their understanding. As the first step in the full Eureka program, these young scientists show great promise in fulfilling Sir Paul Callaghan's vision of making New Zealand the most beautiful, stimulating, and exciting place to live and work in the world. To build on the success of the Year 4 to 6 pilot program, Junior Eureka has now expanded to include all interested primary and intermediate schools.
Over the past 2 days, the Year 5 students at Scots have gone through the whole Junior Eureka process from start to finish, from researching their topics to preparing their scripts and their PowerPoints. Today has been a very special day. It's been the culmination of Junior Eureka, where the students have confidently presented to their classmates and unfamiliar adults and should be very proud of their efforts. Needless to say, they very much deserve their certificates and chocolate cake.